Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To start, we need to install some utilities that will help us work with the repository and handle the archives. Run the following command. Umami requires nodejs to run, so we need to install it first. We add the nodejs repository by next command. Next, we install nodejs. Now let's check if nodejs and npm are installed correctly by running next commands. Umami uses PostgreSQL as its database, so let's install it. Now we'll create the database and user for Umami. First we adjust the PostgreSQL shell. Inside the Postgres shell, create the database and user by running the next commands. These commands will create the Umami database and user with appropriate privileges. Next, we'll clone the Umami repository from GitHub. Then change to the project directory. Check out the version you want to use. Now we need to configure Umami. Open the env file to set up the database and server configuration. In the env file, add the following configuration. To be sure, replace your secure password and your secret key with your actual values. Next, we'll install nginx to handle proxying requests to Umami. After that, create a configuration file for the Umami site. Add the following content to the file. Save the file and create a symbolic link to enable the site configuration. Check the nginx configuration and restart the nginx services. Lastly, go back to the Umami project and install dependencies. Run the following command. After that, build the project and start the server. Umami should be accessible at localhost and the next port, or through your domain name. All what you need to do is to log in by credentials admin and admin. After that, add your site and you can start work with Umami. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.